Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras of 2025, the Fujifilm X-T6. This next-generation APS-C powerhouse is loaded with cutting-edge technology, enhanced image processing, and Fujifilm's signature color science, making it a game-changing option for both photographers and videographers alike. If you're looking for a high-performance camera that balances portability with professional-grade capabilities, the Fujifilm X-T6 could be the ultimate upgrade you've been waiting for. Stick around as we unpack its design, specs, performance, autofocus capabilities, in-body image stabilization, video features, battery life, connectivity, and pricing. Let's explore everything this flagship mirrorless camera has to offer. Design and build quality. Retro charm meets modern refinement. The Fujifilm X-T6 stays true to its retro-inspired roots, a design philosophy that has won over many fans of the XT series. However, this iteration refines the formula with a more ergonomic grip, ensuring a comfortable hold for extended photography sessions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, street photography, or studio portraits, this enhanced handling experience makes a noticeable difference. Constructed with a magnesium alloy body, the X-T6 is not only lightweight but highly durable. It is also fully weather-sealed, making it resistant to dust, moisture, and even freezing temperatures. If you're an outdoor photographer or travel enthusiast, this camera is built to withstand harsh shooting conditions without compromising performance. Fuji enthusiasts will be pleased to see the return of dedicated dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, offering an intuitive, tactile experience that closely resembles traditional film cameras. The nostalgic yet functional control layout makes adjusting settings a breeze, giving users complete manual control over their shots. 40MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. Elevating image quality. At the heart of the Fujifilm X-T6 lies its new 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor, delivering a high-resolution experience with exceptional sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light performance. With no optical low-pass filter, images are incredibly detailed, capturing true-to-life color accuracy that makes Fujifilm cameras legendary among photographers. Whether you're a portrait photographer, a street photography enthusiast, or a wildlife shooter, this sensor ensures outstanding image quality in every scenario. Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes are making a grand return, this time with enhanced tonality and dynamic range. Fans of classic chrome, acros, and Velvia will be excited to see the new RALA Ace mode, bringing even more versatile in-camera color grading options to creative professionals who want stunning visuals straight out of the camera. Additionally, improved noise reduction algorithms allow the X-T6 to excel in high ISO settings, making it a fantastic choice for low-light photography and high-contrast environments. Advanced autofocus and performance. AI-powered precision. The autofocus system in the Fujifilm X-T6 takes performance to an entirely new level. Featuring an AI-powered hybrid autofocus system, this next-gen AF technology incorporates deep learning subject detection, ensuring fast and precise tracking for humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and even drones. The 425-point phase detection AF system covers nearly the entire frame, allowing for pinpoint accuracy in dynamic shooting conditions. Whether you're photographing fast-moving sports action or capturing fleeting wildlife moments, this autofocus system ensures sharp, detailed images every time. For those who demand fast continuous shooting, the X-T6 delivers impressive results. 15 FPS with a mechanical shutter, 30 FPS with an electronic shutter. This makes it an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, and event photography, where high-speed burst modes are essential for capturing split-second moments. In-body image stabilization and video enhancements. One of the standout features of the Fujifilm X-T6 is its upgraded 5-axis IBIS system, now offering 7.5 stops of stabilization. This means photographers can capture sharp handheld shots even in low-light conditions, significantly reducing camera shake and eliminating the need for a tripod in many scenarios. For videographers, the X-T6 introduces massive upgrades. 6.2K video recording at 30 FPS. 4K at 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for enhanced color depth and flexibility in post-production. Refined F-Log2 gamma profile, allowing for superior dynamic range capture. Additionally, Fujifilm has incorporated an advanced heat dissipation system, allowing for longer recording times without the risk of overheating. A must-have for serious filmmakers and content creators. Electronic viewfinder and LCD display. Enhanced clarity. The electronic viewfinder on the Fujifilm X-T6 has been upgraded to a 5.76 million OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This improvement offers a smoother, clearer viewing experience, perfect for outdoor shooting in bright conditions. The 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen display provides greater versatility for vloggers and photographers capturing high-angle or low-angle shots. Fujifilm has also improved touch responsiveness, making menu navigation and focus point selection even more intuitive. Battery life and connectivity. Designed for the modern creator. One of the most significant concerns among photographers is battery life, and the X-T6 delivers a major improvement with its high-capacity NP-W235 battery, capable of producing approximately 800 shots per charge, a noticeable boost over its predecessor. Connectivity options are future-proofed, featuring Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for faster wireless transfers, direct cloud storage access for seamless file backups, dual UHS-2 SD card slots for ample storage and reliable backup solutions. Price and value for money. Is the X-T6 worth it? As a flagship APS-C mirrorless camera, the Fujifilm X-T6 is expected to be positioned at a premium price point. However, considering its high-resolution imaging capabilities, powerful autofocus, professional video features, and robust build quality, it stands as a worthy investment for photographers and filmmakers alike. Final thoughts. Is the Fujifilm X-T6 the ultimate APS-C camera? The Fujifilm X-T6 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases of 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or hybrid creator, this camera delivers exceptional performance across the board. Thanks for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next video.